Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the hardware and account basics. Make sure your fingerprint sensor is connected and Windows is up to date. Next, sign into the account you plan to use and set a PIN if you haven't. Windows requires that PIN as a backup. Now open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign In Options, and select Windows Hello Fingerprint to start. Once you click Setup, the wizard will guide capture prompts, so keep your finger clean and relaxed on the sensor. Once the setup wizard begins, you'll be asked to place your finger on the reader several times. Follow those prompts exactly. Vary angle and pressure so the sensor records edges plus the center. This improves recognition across positions. If the initial capture seems incomplete, use the Add Another Finger option or Redo Enrollment. More than one registered finger reduces lockouts. Make sure to pause between attempts so the sensor recalibrates, and watch for on-screen progress until it reports completion. To finish, lock your PC and test unlocking with your newly enrolled finger. You should feel a quick vibration or see immediate sign-in. If recognition fails, first clean the sensor and your finger, then re-enroll with slightly different angles. Make sure biometric drivers and Windows updates are current. Update drivers from Device Manager if needed. If problems persist, remove the fingerprint and enroll again, and use your PIN or Microsoft account recovery in the meantime. This keeps access safe while you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.